Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your GMT over there. So welcome back to Oxygen Graphics. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a special delicious burger design on your Pixellab Pro. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel now, like this video, share and comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell also to get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thanks for coming back guys, I really appreciate. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this tutorial. So if you check this video description, you find image used in the tutorial there. So download this image and I will show you the step to use it one by one. So the first thing I will have to do now is that we have to import from our phone gallery. So we are going to import the image that we download from the description from our gallery. So this will be the first one. You are going to just resize it to 100 and you can get your accurate size. So let's continue adding from our phone gallery. Yeah, this table will be the second one. And this burger will be the third. And the last one will be this location and contact. So just resize it to 100 and you get your size. So what we are just going to do now is that just lock it to avoid error. We have to just lock it. You can see if you touch it you cannot move it anymore. So the first thing that we have to do now is that we add the text. So watch carefully. So the first text we are going to write burger and it will be in capital letter. So just resize it and let me show you the font that I'm going to use. So if you have this Pixellab Pro, the font come directly with this. So let me show you the font. This will be the font that we are going to use. This is the first font that we are going to use now. Yeah, so after this just rotate it a little bit and come to this spacing. So increase the spacing to 2 and you get it now. Yeah, we have to place it here. Yeah, so after the just check for the middle here. Yeah, the middle. So after we position it to our middle successfully, we have to add another text, and this text will be special delicious. Special. And it will also be in capital letter. So come here and let me show you the fonts that we are going to use also for this special delicious. So we are going to use this main font for the special. This is the font that we are going to use. So these are the two fonts that we will use throughout this tutorial. So watch carefully guys. Yeah, so this special delicious, you just have to change the color here. Yeah, so this is it, guys. Just bring it up. Yeah, so guys, after this special delicious is ready, the next text that we are going to do now is that, but guys, I noticed something by this special delicious. Let me show you another font that we can also use for this. I don't really know the name, but I know it is under here. The font is more like Justice League. Yeah, so this is the font. Yeah, so after this we are good to go about this special delicious burger. So the next test that we have to add now is that the contact address.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to
Yeah, so after this we are successfully done with the contact address. So the next thing is address. Number 148.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
Yeah, so after this address we are successfully done with this address. The last thing text that we are going to add now is that special. The first one will be special. Yeah, so guys, this is how we are going to design for this special. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to smash on that subscribe button, like this video, share and comment, turn on the notification bell to also get notified whenever I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are turning viewers, thanks for coming back guys, I really appreciate it. So see you guys in my next tutorial. Peace out.
Thank you for watching Oxygen Graphics. If you found today's tutorial enjoyable or useful, let me know in the comments section and drop a like on your way out. Subscribe to stay updated on all of my uploads, and until next time, design your future today. Peace out.